Hi everybody, Tammy here, and I wanted to do a very quick tutorial on one of the newest features that has recently come out with the newest Chrome OS update. So it is screen capture, and I'm going to move myself over here a little bit because you're going to find it if your Chromebook is updated. This is for Chromebooks. It's going to be in the lower right where you have these little pop-ups right here whenever you hover down there. So if I click on that, it's right here. It's called screen capture. And so I'm going to click on that. You are able to capture your screen anywhere on your screen, or you can capture video as well. Before you capture video, though, you want to go to the settings and record the microphone as well if you're wanting to do like a voiceover on a recording or something. So you would change those settings. But when you are doing just a capturing part of the screen, you have these options right here. You can take a full screenshot just like that. So once I have that selected, and then I just click anywhere to capture full screen, it's going to take a picture of the full screen. Or I can do a selection, so I can go anywhere on here and take a selection and then capture it here. Or I can do the whole window screenshot. So you have those options, and it's going to save it to your files down there with your Chromebook immediately. For video, you just click video and you you select the portion of the screen that you want to take a video of. And if you have already set the setting to record the microphone and you have a microphone hooked up, then you're able to do a voiceover as you're recording. And so I have, for instance, let me get out of that for just a second. I'm going to go over to this Jamboard and say I want to record myself discussing this problem or any problem. Maybe I have something in Google Drive or Google Classroom or whatever, and the student just wants to do a real quick recording of their thought process, screen capture. I've got video recording. I'm just going to make sure you can hear me. Okay, video recording. And then it says drag to select an area to record. So I would say I have some problems here. I'm going to hit record. It's going to give me a countdown. And then it's going to start recording. And so I'm able to discuss whatever I've got going here. I'm going to, since these are all X's, I'm going to combine them. So I have 3 X's and 2 X's, that's 5 X's, and take away 8 X's, that's a negative 3 X's. And so I'm explaining the problem that I have before me. To stop recording that screen capture, it's down here. You'll have to bring at the bottom and stop it. And you'll notice that it immediately will take that and put it in the files. So I can show it in the folder. This is the folder that shows up for your Chromebook. It's in your downloads, and I'll just double click on it, and then it's going to start recording. And so I'm able to discuss. So there's the recording right there. It's a WEBM file, which is just a web-based movie file. So it can be seen on most browsers. So the student can take that file and put it up in Google Classroom if it was an assignment, or they can put it in their drive and then provide the link to it, just different things. And then the same thing goes with the screen captures. It's just going to immediately download it into your files on your Chromebook. So a cool little feature with the newest update. Just click down there and you see screen capture. And while I'm here, I'm just going to quickly mention that accessibility is over here. And if you haven't noticed that on your Chromebooks or the student Chromebooks, there's a bunch of different accessibility tools here for our students. So take a look at that when you get the chance. If you don't know if you got the update or you're not seeing the screen capture tool when you are down there, and remember this is for our Chromebooks, for the Chrome OS and on the Chromebooks. If you don't know if you do have the update, then what you would do is just go to your Chrome settings, And I'm going to move myself again back over here. I would go to About Chrome and go to the Chrome OS settings. And right here, it'll check for updates. You just check it to make sure you're updated. And if you're not, it's going to start updating. And you'll have to restart, and you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.